how to make a custom product page with Elementor. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be taking a look at Elementor, and I'm going to be telling you how you can create your own custom product page. So let's get into it. So first things first, what we need is Elementor. So we need to go ahead and install it. So once you come over here into your WordPress dashboard, go ahead and come over here onto the left hand side, go ahead and hover on the plugin section, and then click on add plugin. Then here, just simply click on the search button and search for Elementor. And then here you will have Elementor website builder. So go ahead and just simply install this plugin and activate it as well. So once it's installed, click on activate to activate the plugin. Then we can go ahead and create an account. Now I don't have an account, nor do I want to set it up since it'll ask me to go ahead and upgrade it anyway. So I'll just skip all of this, and we just need the theme builders and AI codings and stuff like that. Just go ahead and add some of these options. We can skip this as well and skip this as well, and we should be good to go. And after that, it's going to take us to the editor over here, but we can just go back, close it up, and then just simply exit it out, exit to WordPress. And here we go. And now we need another plugin. So again, we're going to go back into the add plugin section, and we need to search for shop engine. And just simply go ahead and install this plugin as well, and then just simply activate it. And once it's activated, we should be good to go. Next, come over here onto the left hand side. And also one more plugin that you might need is this one right here called the fronted product editor for WooCommerce. So go ahead and download it. It'll be available in the wordpress.org plugin section. And then once you've downloaded it, you can install it manually, and then just simply click on install now. And once it's installed, you should be good to go. And once it's installed, just simply activate it by clicking on the activate plugin button, and boom, your plugin is activated. I accidentally installed the WooCommerce plugin as well, which is over here. So we got to go ahead and delete that. We already have it, but we can activate it if you want, but you can go ahead and delete it as well. Totally depends on you. But yeah, once it's installed, come over here on the left hand side. You will see you have the shop engine option now available. So hover it over here and then click on the builder templates over here. And also, before I forget, you can also turn on the widgets as well. So click on the widget section over here, and you can go ahead and turn these on if you want. But once they've been activated, you should be good to go. We'll go ahead and click on the builder templates, and then you just simply click on the continue button and just finalize all these stuff. So I've already done that. So I'm going to complete my setup. And once we've set everything up, we should be good to go. And here we go. So now we just simply click on the go to WP dashboard, and now everything is ready. So there we go. So now we should be good to go. So now if we click on the builder templates, now we can build ourselves a whole new page. We can build ourselves a custom page that we can go ahead and create our template with. So click on add new template. And then here you've got all these different options, right? When you hover your mouse over them, a little preview pops up as well. So you can see which one you like. So you can see right here, this one also looks pretty cool. This one also looks pretty cool. These are all simple designs as well. So you can go ahead and select whichever one you want. Let's go with the simple one first, the first one. So we'll go ahead and click on the first one, and then we can click on edit with Elementor, and we can edit it, or we can save changes. It totally depends on you. Or you can just leave it blank, and then when you've activated the widgets, you can then go ahead and experiment with them and see which one looks best. So we'll actually leave it blank for now, and then click on save changes, and we have successfully created a whole page, a whole template. Now, if we come back over here, we can see this is the template right here. We can go ahead and view it over here, or we can just simply go ahead and, edit with Elementor. So we'll open that up in a new tab. And also we can go ahead and edit it. To edit it, we need to add like a product. We don't have a product yet, so let's go ahead and create one. All right, so here we go in the product section. I'm going to create one. So I'll name these the cloud slides, and I've uploaded the images that I had. And then we can go ahead and, add some other options as well, like regular pricings. And once it's done, we should be good to go. Now we can just simply publish it, publish the product. Now we can go ahead, come over here, and we can, get started with the editing of our template. So again, we'll click on edit with template, and then we select the product. We already have one. Click on edit with template, edit with Elementor, and here we go. So click on got it. There we go. So now here we go. We have all these different options on the left-hand side. We can go ahead and, just drop them as it is. We got product SKU, product price, product images, product gallery, description, all these stuff. All we got to do is just simply drop them. And this is how it would look like. We can go ahead and change it up, make it smaller, make it bigger. This is how it looks like. And we can go ahead and, change up the image over here. And yeah, it looks good. then here we can go ahead and click on add a widget. We can add like a whole layout as well. So this would have been perfect. So here we can go with something like this. We'll click on this one, and then here we can upload the image of our product. So product image over here like that, and then go back and then click on the plus button over here, and then we can add like the product description, the product pricing, the product reviews. We can add more, you know, stuff within it, like more blocks within it as well. Like this one, we can drag and drop on whatever we want. So we can add whatever we want. And once we have it, we should be good to go. So you can go with this one, like the blank one, or you can use the templates that they already have, or you can go with templates that they already have. So let me go ahead and exit it out. And coming back over here, and then click on the builder templates over here, and then here click on add new template, select the design, click on save changes. We'll have a new one over here, and I think this is the one. Like, yeah, this is the one. We'll click on edit it and click on edit with Elementor, select the product, edit with Elementor, and this is how it looks like. Then we can go ahead and change whichever one we want. So pretty simple, right? So there you go. That's how you can create a custom product page with Elementor. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, take care and goodbye.